Alright fellas, so we are back. I know I'm little too late. I guess that little late is too late. Sorry for that, but it's been a while since I draw Nikke. I guess 1 month. Sorry about that. Without wasting time, let's go. Starting with the skin, and yeah, her ass is over and over again, like forcing me to focus there instead of coloring. And yeah, that's the moment I realized when I started the coloring that it's not gonna be easy.
To be lonely, no one safe from the reaper, not a saint nor a sinner. Rage under my skin, slowly descending to madness. Let it spread like a virus.
You know, I know, everyone's know my audience is I mean foot fetish, and me too. That's why I chose the back pose, the S pose, the feet pose, all in one, baby. Just giving that ass a soft shape. I mean, like literally soft shape.
Run for your life, cause it might get hideous.
And with that, our skin color is done. Moving to the hairs. Our hair is like literally. I thought it's difficult, but when I started coloring, it was easy. Like literally, the easiest hair color have I ever done. I thought the white hairs are easy, but this one was little difficult than white hairs, but also good. I love how the shades came out. And moving to that mommy's t-shirt she's wearing, I think that t-shirt is mine. That's why I'm sitting naked here. You never heard anything like that, okay?
Run for your life, cause it might get hideous. Why so serious?
Alright, I don't wanna do it, but my hands are doing it. So yeah, I will pass no comments.
Run for your life.
And yeah, that's it. I know this video is short, but don't worry, because that is at least a short. That's how I just quickly done this drawing, because that reference is easy, and it was fun to draw her. And as you know, cameraman gonna do it, so cameraman just simply do it, please.